Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello, good morning, student. Today in class ninth, chemistry, chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. So, as you know very well previously, whenever a liquid converted into vapors, we can supply latent heat of vaporization. Means in simple word, whenever any liquid converted into vapors, so for changing in phase, liquid to vapor, liquid need latent heat of vaporization. So here heat takes. So student, in this section, cooling by evaporation. Means whenever evaporation takes place, cooling effect leave behind it. So here about cooling caused by evaporation. So student, the cooling caused by evaporation is based on the fact that when a liquid evaporates, means any liquid when evaporates, it draws or takes the latent heat of vaporization from anything which it touch, anything like our hands, like water surface. So for example, while losing heat, this anything gets cooled. So for example, if we put a little spirit on our hand and this hand wrapped around it, so spirit evaporates rapidly and our hand feels very cool. How it is possible? Student, spirit in the form of liquid means this is a spirit in liquid form, and whenever this liquid spirit need to convert into vapor, means this is a spirit in vapor phase. So conversion of liquid to vapor needs here latent heat of vaporization. So this latent heat of vaporization comes from our hands and our hand become cool. So we feel cool. So this is an example of cooling effect of evaporation. Now student, second example about cooling by evaporation. So student, during hot summer days, water usually kept in an earthen pot or matka or pitcher. To keep it cool, during hot summer days, we kept water inside a earthen pot or matka. So you know very well, earthen pot has large number of pores, and through these pores some of water ooze outside of the walls of matka. So here water, that is the liquid form, takes latent heat of vaporization and it converted into vapors. So that is why the water inside the earthen pot becomes cool. So this is a one example of cooling by evaporation. Next is, at many places, especially in villages, people often sprinkle water on the ground in front of their homes during hot summer evenings. So by sprinkling of this water on the ground, so here water takes heat from the ground and evaporate. So after some time we feel comfortable in hot summer days. Next is sweating in our body's method of maintaining a constant temperature. You know very well, our body temperature is constant. So for maintenance of this constant temperature during hot season, our body sweat profusely. So this sweat, after taking heat from our body to evaporate, means take out latent heat of vaporization from our body, and we are feel comfortable. Now next is, it is a common observation that we are able to sip hot tea or milk from a saucer than from a cup. In one hand we have saucer with a large surface area. On the other hand we have cup, its surface area is very less. So due to large surface area, the rate of vaporization is too high, and that is why we can sip tea or milk from saucer, it is easily than the cup. So now, desert cooler is more effective in summer days. One more thing here, you know very well, on hot summer days we feel comfortable under the tree. Why it is possible? So you know very well, trees have a stomata, and through stomata water vapors they moves the surface of leaves. So whenever wind is moved, these vapors is spread. That is why we feel comfortable during hot summer under the tree. Now we should wear cotton cloths in hot summer days, and we feel cool and comfortable. So dear student, during hot summer our body make more and more sweat, that is the pasina, and cotton is a good absorber of water. So this sweat and cotton t-shirt that we wear or cotton cloth that we wear, so we feel comfortable to wear cotton cloth during hot summer days. Now if more and more sweating take place and we stand under the fan and fan is moving, so after some time we feel comfortable because the rate of evaporation increases whenever wind velocity is increases. So we feel comfortable. So dear student, so many examples are there. How it is possible? Whenever we take some ice in a glass tumbler or glass of steel, after some time you feel small droplets that are on the outer surface of glass. So it is possible, yes, because the water vapor that present in atmosphere, they condense to form water droplet in the presence of ice that fill inside a glass. So this is the presence of water vapors in the air. So dear student, this is about cooling effect of evaporation or application of evaporation. So this is for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.